Nomisma is the only true end-to-end cloud suite actually designed for accounting and bookkeeping practices and their clients. Nomisma means simply money in ancient Greek. It started life as an in-house system many years ago, but is now available for everyone to experience the same benefits.
Bookkeeping, VAT, payroll, final accounts, tax, practice management, complete with full end-to-end client onboarding, all under a single interface for ease of use, with mobile applications for portability. Nomisma can literally be used anywhere there's an internet connection.
With Nomisma, you know everything's in sync, allowing you to provide great client service. One of the biggest gains is that once you've done your bookkeeping for a client, the final accounts and tax are already there, thanks to what we call our single ledger engine.
And with the relentless advance of HMRC's Making Tax Digital initiative, driving up-to-date digital record keeping and filing, with Nomisma, you've got it covered.
You also get a fantastic single view of your practice, clients and deadlines all on one screen. It's the first thing you see when you log into Nomisma. So, great for your practice, but also great for your clients, giving both of you full collaboration through our web app and our suite of mobile apps for bookkeeping, payroll, and self-assessment. And because everything is under the same roof, the cost saving from replacing 6, 7, or even 8 different pieces of software can be over 50%. All our prices are transparent and they're shared on our website. As Nomisma is all in the cloud, you get secure access anywhere, on any device, and with ongoing backup and minimal hardware costs.
Bank feeds, completely automated payroll, e-signatures for letters of engagement, final accounts and self-assessments, as well as a mobile receipt capture app. One software that does it all and so much more.
All modules are highly featured in their own right, and they can be used in isolation. Of course, the real power of Nomisma comes when used as a whole, but you can get there in stages.
It's easy to set up and get going, and we can help with data migration. And when you need it, we offer full phone support as well as email and online help, not only with the software itself, but also to develop your practice and achieve your ambitions.
We're there with you. Talk to us, have a demo, take a trial.